In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My Device on Samsung phone. With Find My Device on Samsung phone, you can easily lock your Samsung phone screen when misplaced, change your Samsung phone screen lock, and even send a cross message to the holder of the Samsung phone at the moment. The most important part of this video, you can easily erase your Samsung phone or lock it remotely. So, to turn on Find My Device for your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, then scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. Scroll down and click on More Security Settings. Now, what you need to do here is tap Device Admin Apps. Then, you should see Device Admin Apps can enforce password requirements and other security policies on your phone. They can disable the camera and other features. They can lock or reset your phone remotely. Employers often use Device Admin Apps to protect work-related data. You should only allow Device Admin access to apps that you only know and trust. Then, turn on Find My Device. Once you click on that, you see a pop-up that says activate, and in this activation process, this will allow you to delete all data, check the screen lock the screen, and even disable some screen lock features. Then tap the activate button. Again, click on this again and tap the activate button. You can also choose Outlook device policy. So with this feature turned on, Find My Device will be turned on your Samsung device. So if you find this really helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.